Mishka. Hi, Lucky. Hi, sweethearts. Was Mommy gone to the doctor's office today? Till we got home and everything's good. So Granny's in the bed getting snuggly. And we're all getting ready to go night-night. Oh, they're so sweet and kind and gentle. They're sweet boys, but I had to chase Mishka down. Hi, buddies. They're my sweethearts. Hello. Hello, boys. They're my sons. They're my children. Yeah, they're my grandkitties. You are my special little kitties. I love you so much. I love each and every one of you so much. Mommy loves you. Hey, look. You're so sweet and precious. Look how big you are. They've been in this bed since they were newborns. I wish I would have recorded them when they were newborns. But this is their journey. And my son Elijah, which is a Marine now, gave me Rosie. So these are our grandkittens, and me, Lisa, and Mommy love them. And they're so well behaved. But they haven't mastered the art of using the restroom outside yet. I love you guys. But sometimes them being sweet and gentle and kind. And your mama's kind. I love you so much. And give me your paw-paw. Just give me your paw-paw. So you absolutely trust your mother. See, nothing but pure love. Yeah. They are my little cat angels. They are my little kitty angels. Look at that adorable face. Little Mishka. Hi, beautiful. You're so... Ow. Are you jealous? Don't bite your mommy. Look. Here. It's your paw-paw. Mishka. You're a good boy. Come here. Ow. You jealous because I'm petting Mishka? You don't know. Don't be jealous and be mean to your mom. Yeah, you both are my sweethearts. And good. I love you guys so much. Yeah. My snuggle buddies. Aren't you so beautiful? I've always had cats all my life. And I love felines. I love canines too. They're just so sweet. I've never had cats where I've had them since they were newborns. But they were born in this bed. I love y'all so much. God bless. Say bye. Say good night.